Welcome back, boys. We are back at it like a bad habit, and we are doing a coilover install. And we got some Megan Racing, right? Yeah, Megan Racing coilovers. So this will be really cool. I haven't done a coil install in a very long time, but they look pretty nice. Look pretty cool. So, as per usual, we got another 86 boys doing installs at the house. And Micah over here is doing the easy stuff, doing, you know, tail lights, because, you know, that's some hard shit right there, man. But it'll look a lot better. Get the 2017 plus tail lights. So,
no, those are VLANs.
Yeah. Are those VLANs?
Yeah.
They look like 2017 plus.
Yeah, they're modeled after it, but
that's what's up.
You can see that it has like the.
Oh yeah, sure enough. Oh, that looks cool. That's gonna look nice. Fuck yeah. Sweet. So we're gonna lower this baby a little bit. Not sure how low we going, but we going lower.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Cool.
Well, I'm not too sure how detailed of an install we'll be doing on these guys. Just because, you know, there's a lot better YouTube tutorials on there. So this is just us doing an install, having fun, you know, doing what we need to do. So we'll pick up the camera again once we start doing some actual stuff. Let's see how these look. Ooh, that is very nice. Reminds me of like the Revos. Those look nice.
Yeah, I was telling him to get these because no one else has them here. So
yeah.
Everybody has Valentis or some shit. So
yeah.
Might as well be different. You can turn them off.
Yeah.
Way better than this stuff.
Sick. All right, front side's up. About to do the back side. All right. It's been a little bit since we picked up the camera, but the issue that we're having, unfortunately, when you get stuff from, you know, pre-owned people, basically our right wheels, each on this one and the other side, this lug nut is just not wanting to come off. So I don't know what happened, if it just got stripped, but we can't tighten it or loosen it. So there's something going on where we just can't get to it. So unfortunately, we're not gonna be able to do the rears of the coilovers. He's gonna take this to a shop, and I don't know how the fuck they're gonna get that out, but it is what it is. But taillights look dope though. Fire. Yeah, so anyways, we're gonna go and do the fronts. So the fronts, we already got all apart pretty easy, honestly, especially the impact took like 30 seconds to get it all done. And here's the coilovers. So especially since we can't do the rears, all we're really going to do is we're basically going to set the height of these to the stock ones, or the closest we can get, so he's able to drive it and then later get alignment, or once he gets a rears fix, we can lower it more. But basically we basically move these rings around and move this base up and down, and that kind of gives us the height adjustment we need. And I'm pretty sure preload is not done, so we'll have to hit those preloads already, but pretty easy. That's what we're gonna do. They look pretty nice. They look like some pretty standard coilovers, so we're gonna put these bad boys on and show them how they look.
Might as well, like, you're right.
Okay, boys, so here's the issue we are having. You see these are for your front ones, and you see something missing. Oh yes, it's the top hat. So these Easy Street ones do need the OEM ones. So unfortunately, they are going to go to Harbor Freight and get some spring compressors. So I give them the option to send it with an impact and just let it rip in the yard, but we're going to do the, you know, the responsible route, and we're going to buy spring compressors so we can compress these springs. So this is why we look at the information description when we buy coilovers and such, because honestly I would never buy something like this that wouldn't come with a top hat, just because it makes your life that much more difficult. So that's what we're doing right now. We're learning. Shout out to Micah for the ocean water. Hit the spot, bruh. Rip.
Yeah, don't point it up.
I'm not doing that.
Don't be a bitch. Just go for it.
Oh. Okay, that wasn't bad.
Told you, catch.
Okay.
We got the left side, driver's side coilover in, all nice and buttoned up. The brake line thread, you do have to kind of push through it because of the paint, but otherwise it was a little bit tough, but it was pretty good. But right now, looks like it looks okay so far. We're having some trouble over on the passenger side one. Mainly because maybe previous owner, I don't know, but the studs from the top hat are bent, so they're not wanting to go in. We kind of had to hammer them down to get them out, but it's being tough. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to get that side or not. But yeah, I don't know. Give me an update soon. We banged it enough with a hammer, and it's it's relatively okay. But both of them are on right now. We're gonna put the wheels on. And hopefully everything is okay and we don't have to do this process all over again. But it's been fun so far. Black hands, so we're doing some work over here. So, but we're doing good.
Yes.
So I don't know what I'm doing right now, but here we go. So the car's lowered down, but what happened is that just the whole thing popped up. So I'm assuming someone on the internet probably knows what's going on, but I really don't know. So we're gonna leave it like this for right now. And he's going to try to get an alignment or something done here like tomorrow. And once I know more information on why this happened, I'll give you guys an update on that. But as of right now, this is where it kind of sits. I'm assuming it's something to do with the preload or something, because the, like it's even the stock height's like super high now. So I'm assuming I messed up on the preload-ish or whatever this part is right here, the two screws. I might have just tightened that too much. I'm not too sure. I'm not an expert, but that's kind of how it looks like right now. So I'll give you guys an update here in the next clip. Alright boys, this is the end of the video. We actually did some more. We lowered Micah's car a bit more, and now the fitment's a lot better, and it looks pretty fire. But we heading out, probably gonna go to car meet. I guess I'll pick up the camera again, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Damn, is that a monster truck, bro? Episode 2 of See If Micah Can Get Off the Driveway. There's 3 people watching him. Can you do it? Can you do it?
Wait. Go back a little bit.
That fitment though. Ooh, could you imagine? Up. You still can't get it. You can't get it.
You might as well just go all the way.
Turn it some more.
Yeah, turn left.
Send it!
Just go slow.
Just go real slow because it's scary.
You mind putting in drive first?
I know what I'm doing.
Just hit myself with the bike.
Come on.
Look at that.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, he did it!
Just needs the whole driveway.
He did it. Wow. Good job, Micah. Good job, bud.
Yeah, you had to use the whole driveway, but he did. But
Nice job, sport.
He's gotta get a picture. Oh, we should got a picture when he's three-wheeling it.
Oh, I got it on camera. Keep on fighting!
I did it! Yes!
That's fucking retarded.
It's like a challenge over here.
With getting out my driveway. Good times. Good times.
So I'm not low yet.
Right? Good times.